Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing two products from the 99-cent store. They were only $1 and it's from the brand that you have heard me talk about before, Smoke and Mirrors. I love their quality and their products, and we're going to review this time this bronzer that I got in the color Cocoa, and we are also going to review and try on this matte liquid lip cream in the color Flirt. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try the Cocoa bronzer by Smoke and Mirrors with this brush, this e.l.f. brush, and it's like an angled stiff brush. This bronzer says that it's perfect sheen and it's great for the face and the body, so I'll be posting a picture up there so you can actually see it up close. We're gonna go ahead and grab some and we're gonna put it on the hollows of our cheek. You see that? And so far I'm liking it. We're gonna grab more product and we're gonna do the other side. And as you can see, it has actually made my face a little slimmer. We're gonna do the top of our head or forehead, like our temple. That's what I'm trying to say, our temple. And right here. I usually like to contour my nose too, just a little bit. Like this, to make our nose look slimmer. And so far, as you can tell, it does bronze your face up. So definitely recommend this. I'm liking it. It comes like this, Smoke and Mirrors in that color Cocoa. And I'll also be posting some pictures up there at the end of this video. Let's try our next product. Okay, so now we're gonna try the matte liquid lip cream by Smoke and Mirrors in the color Flirt. I already took it out of the package. It looks like this, and it is matte, so let's try it on. So far it feels really pigmented, and I love pink and it looks so pretty. And it doesn't stink. It's very glossy and it glides on so smooth. It looks like this. And I love it. I definitely recommend for you guys to pick these two products up from the 99-cent store. It's only $1. So yeah, those are the two products I got. If you like this video, like it, share, and why not comment? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.